Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to fetch all the orders, that is purchase orders, from the Zoho CRM using the Node.js API. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code for fetching the purchase orders. So just we have to call the API, that is purchase orders, and it should be a get request, and call this function fetch orders like this. Okay, save this and get the access token and the get API. Here we have to change the domain. Let's save it. Let's go to the terminal and node leads.js, and here we have the purchase order. So already we have only one, so here you can see that we have a purchase orders. See, we have only one for this one, purchase order for the office supplies. So here you can see that purchase orders for the office supplies for the next quarter. Okay, so this is how very easy, very simple to fetch the purchase orders. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.